Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually open up an existing Microsoft Excel file on your computer. So if you know where the file is, you can just head over to the File Explorer on your computer and double click it. It should open it up in Excel, or if you right click that file, you should see an option to open with Excel. If you've already had the Excel application open though, you can come over here to File. Once you have File open, we can come over here to Open. And once you do that, you may even see the file open on this screen over here once you click on File. But if you don't see it here, you can come over here to Open. You'll see some of the recent Excel files that you've had open, so maybe you will see it here. If you don't see it here, you can actually go ahead and select this PC. Then you can go ahead and cycle through the different files on your computer and then try to find it. You can also click Browse, which will allow you to navigate through your files on your computer as well. But let's just say if I come over here to this PC, then this is the document that I'm trying to open. It's called Book 1. If I select it, now you can see it went ahead and opened up the document for the Excel workbook for me. So those are some of the different ways that you can actually open up an existing Excel file on your computer.